Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a recorded meeting in Zoom. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your Zoom meetings and all you have to do is look on the bottom of your screen and you'll find record. Just click here. After that, you just have to click on stop the recording and end the meeting in order to find the recording. After that, you will be redirected to the directory where the meeting recording is saved. That's how you find the recording of Zoom meeting. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.